What's up, guys? We're rocking our new knife from Going Gear Club, alright, which is a concept model, little Kiradashi. This one is called the Dash. I always forget, but it's nice because they put it down right in the blade, so you don't have to remember it. Alright, so let's see. The Dash making a cut. Alright, close this guy for now. Alright, so what we have here, we have Medic Box number 5. Alright, so this is the second pack for our vehicle. Right, so this is 2 out of 3 for our vehicle bag. We'll save that for the end so you can take a look at things. Ooh, I recognize this right away. I've done videos in the past on this before. Blaze Defense Systems fire suppression device. I've talked about that. You could look this up. These are fantastic. I actually have one of these downstairs. I also have one in my truck. All right, so self-explanatory. Very good thing to have. All right. So then we have new stat 4x4 hemostatic dressing. All right, so you can control bleeding. Then we have stat gear. These are awesome. All right, Supervisor XT. I'm not sure if there's any different than the ones I have. I keep these in my visor. I've done this for many years now. I think this is one of the best, rescue tool, vehicle rescue tools, I'll say, besides the Rescue Me. All right, I think it's RES, the letter Q, ME. Those are phenomenal vehicle escape tools, rescue tools, whatever you want to call them. This is right up there. I keep both in my vehicles. All right, my wife has both. I have both. God forbid, I'm in 2 different places. So depending on what the accident's like, like I keep this in my visor. Who knows if the top gets crushed or the visor breaks off and goes flying somewhere and I don't have access to it. I'm trapped in my seat belt, whatever. But then I also have the Rescue Me mounted where I can get to it from the driver's seat as well. So between the two, I should be okay in most, if not, all situations. But you just never know. The more the merrier. But these are very handy. Very important. All right. Next up, we have Minor Burn Med Kit. These are fantastic, right? What does everyone prep? Everyone has Band-Aids, right? You go to just the average home. You go to their medical kit, their first aid kit. They might have some Band-Aids. They might have some little Neosporin. Maybe they have a little, sting relief for their kids. But burns are so common. It's amazing how many people don't have anything for burns, like burn gels. So these little kits do come in handy. I've used these many times before. I've been with my parents. My mom got severely burned on her hand once. I think it was, it was hot oil or boiling water, whatever it was. But she had immediate blister in her hand. I had burn gel. I immediately got it. It really helped the situation. It really makes a difference to have this stuff close by and also know how to use it. So let's see, what is in this burn pack specifically? All right, contents. We have a 1x3" super skin bandage, a 2x4" super skin bandage, 3 burn gel packs. All 3 of them are 3.5 grams. All right, 1 pain relief, AP. Interesting, I'm not sure what that is. Like a Tylenol type thing, maybe? I don't know. I don't know if it's like an oral pain medication or not. Antiseptic towelette, super hand wipe, cloth tab, and pair of gloves. All right, so it's very cool. Very handy, more so than you might imagine. Especially during the summer, all kinds of things. You could be sitting around the campfire, a little, little piece of wood or ember or whatever sparks or pops out and lands on your kid's leg or something, burns your leg. 4th of July, get a burn from fireworks. I mean, I've had that happen before. I ruined my pair of glasses. Luckily, a little bottle rocket shot backwards right into my face and burned my eyebrow. I used burn gel for that. I used a bandage for that. It happens all the time, So anyway, that makes me very excited. I'll tell you why in a minute. All right, so next we have, a burn dressing. This is for a larger burn. This is fantastic. I can feel the gooiness in there. Zero burn, sterile burn dressing. So if you have a large area that got burned, you just slap this guy on there. It has everything you need, or it has the medicine built in. This is perfect. I cannot get enough of stuff like this. Really helpful. And I don't know if this is the last thing. It is not. There's other stuff in here. So here we have a fire blanket. All right, 40" by 40", and these are fantastic because you can mount these. I actually keep one in the closet in my bedroom because, like most bedrooms, there's usually one way in, one way out. And God forbid you wake up to a fire and it's in your doorway. What do? Yeah, of course you can just run through it, but you're chancing getting burned, right? So having this in the bedroom is fantastic. Obviously, the layout of your house makes a difference where you might want to put these. But it's super simple. Like I said, you mount it by this giant grommet. right? And there's pull tab. You just yank this down and this will open up and you can pull the blanket out. You just kind of hold it up against you, wrap it around, you put it over your head, whatever, just to push through things, push through burning wood, embers, all that kind of stuff that's obviously going to burn you otherwise. Fantastic product. Again, can't have enough of these. They can be in every bedroom of your house if you have the financial means to do that. All right, what else do we have in here? These boxes are packed full of stuff. Cravat. Never heard of a cravat. 37 by 37 by 52 triangular bandage. Interesting. Looks like you can use that for your leg, like a leg splint, but obviously just a you know, shoulder bandage for an arm injury. All right, that's cool. I'll have to look that in. I'll look that up a little. Familiarize myself better with it. Ooh, what do we have? A panel here? Oh, a headrest panel. Ooh, I might use this in the truck. See this in the background? Yeah, that's it. Just very simple. You can mount this, so this way you can mount things to the headrest in your vehicles. Couldn't be any more straightforward than that. It's 8 by 6 from Grayman Tactical. I've had, you know, it's funny because I had some Grayman panels from other companies. Well, not other companies, obviously Grayman. I got it in other boxes. And I had a set, and I wanted to put it in my truck a while back, and I ended up not doing it. I forget why. And I had a friend who had a Jeep, and I see if they wanted it, but then they didn't want it because they just got rid of the Jeep. I forget the whole scenario, but I really don't remember where that stuff went. Because obviously, if I'm going to utilize this on my headrest, I'd like the actual full panel they used to have. I just do not remember what happened to that, but I'll have to look at that on my own time. And last thing on here, what is this? Feels like a straw. Nasal Airway. Okay, pre-lubricated. Yeah, you don't want to be jamming anything in your nose. It's not pre-lubricated, right? So, yeah, that's it. Nasopharyngeal airway. Okay. Measure it, fit from tip to tip. So you're measuring from your ear to your nose, I guess. And then to give you an idea of your passageway. And then you're just jamming it down someone's nose so it goes to their throat. All right. Interesting. Definitely wouldn't want that. Want to have to use it. But hey, if you had to use it, you got one in your medic box. So there you go. Let's go ahead and check out this paperwork real quick before we go. Let's make sure everything's here. Get a little teaser from next time, which I love that they have on here. All right, so here's in the box. Blaze extinguisher, the Molly vehicle panel, airway and respiration course, which you can follow if you're a member online. All right. Okay, here are the contents. Visor, rescue tool, fire blanket, hemostatic gauze, nasal airway, cravat, burn dressing, burn med pack. Very cool. Coming next, a COT/CCC recommended TQ. It's like a different language, medicine, right? The medical field. I know there's this dude, the EMS workers are just like, yeah, no, I know all that stuff. I don't. I'm not an EMS guy. I'm just an average guy. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I have like a slightly above common understanding of medical stuff, but barely. I'm learning about all this stuff. Anyway, let's try that again. A COTCC recommended TQ and the supplies needed to complete your vehicle kit. Fantastic. So what I got out of that is more stuff for the vehicle kit. Thumbs up. All right, cool. So yeah, this is the second box. So that means we have one more to complete our vehicle kit. Very excited to see what they add. But I have to say, these kits are packed out. Like they gave us for the IFAC, they gave us a nice pouch, and that thing is almost bursting at the seams. Same deal. Once I get this obviously doesn't go in there. The fire extinguisher doesn't go in there, but all this stuff fitting into that pouch we got on the first week for the vehicle kit is already filled. You know what I mean? So I really got to try to find room for that. So definitely not cheap with the gear. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.